Hi everyone, we're here at Lynwood High School, the Imperial Campus. We're so excited to report to you the things that have been going on over the summer. We've been busy and hard at work. We've got our underground utilities already going, the footings for the building are in, and we're getting ready for the arrival of our structural steel that will go in, and you'll begin to see our building materialize.
We're here this afternoon to give you guys an update on our Lynwood High School rebuild project. I'm standing right in front of a kiln building that's going to be done in 2 years, right guys?
Yes.
We're really excited about the development that's going on through the past several years, and we're looking forward to making sure that this building is deserving of this community. We spent the day looking at the foundation and making sure that this building and this high school is ready for the fall of 2027.